In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return a package on Amazon.de. To get started, open your web browser and go to Amazon.de. Once the site loads, sign in to your Amazon account. Make sure you're logged into the same account that was used to place the order, otherwise the item you want to return may not appear in your order history. After you've signed in, move to the account and list section and open your orders. This is where Amazon keeps a record of your recent purchases. Browse through the list and find the item you want to return. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct order, especially if you've purchased similar items before. When you find the item, click Return or Replace Items. Amazon will then guide you into the return workflow. You'll be asked to choose the reason for your return. Select the option that best matches your situation, and if needed, add extra comments to give more detail. This can be helpful if the item arrived damaged, incorrect, or not as expected. Once that's done, click Continue. Next, you'll choose the return method. The options available can vary depending on the item, seller, and your location. You may see choices such as a drop-off location, postal return, or courier pickup if that service is available. Simply select the option that works best for you and fits your schedule. After choosing your method, review the return details carefully. Confirm that everything looks right, including the selected return option. Once you confirm, Amazon will provide your return instructions and, if required, a return label. Read these instructions fully before moving on, since some returns have specific packaging or handling requirements. Now prepare the package. Pack the item securely so it won't be damaged in transit. Include any required accessories, manuals, or original packaging if Amazon asks for them. If a return label is provided, attach it clearly to the package. It's also a good idea to remove or cover any old shipping labels to avoid confusion during delivery. Once the package is ready, take it to your chosen drop-off location or arrange the pickup if that option was selected. Be sure to keep your return receipt or tracking information. That proof can be very useful if you need to check the shipment later. To track the return, go back to your orders, select the returned item, and check the return status. This lets you follow the progress and see when Amazon receives the package.